So it's like this ability to hold space for us is almost a mentoring of something that we didn't get when we needed it, a mentoring and a nurturing of it, which repairs and reconstructs those broken links within us. So I feel like there's one more piece to this. And it has to do with the idea of, I guess, being scared or being in fear of something. And again, part of this is I never wanted to know what my horses had to tell me because I always was terrified of what they would tell me about me. Till I realized, as soon as I started to go into the horses that that had the most traumatic deaths, it was exactly this story that I just shared about Sadie. It was like this ability to hold space gives us answers that are far beyond what we ever thought possible, and reconnects us to ourselves in a way that we actually have compassion for ourselves, because we can hold ourselves, like hold space for ourselves, but hold ourselves like when that trauma first occurred. Hold us in a way that is nurturing, because we can't deny that it happened, but we can nurture ourselves back to life, and we can bring that life force by reconnecting and repairing that connection with our heart, and by accessing that space within us. That's repairing in and of itself.